Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody had a really good question. I never thought about it before. They want to have one corner rounded and one corner scalloped. So if we take this and go right here and unlock our ratio, and we took round corners and do it 2 inches, we get that. But now if you go over here and pick this one and go 2 inches with scallop corner, it turns the other one to scallop corners. So to do it at 2 inches, you could do it with the shape tool and hold down your control button, but you can't hold down your control button, I'm sorry. You can't get exactly 2 inches. And then you could grab that one, hold down your control button and pick, well, see, it changes it back. So the only way I know how to do it, let's just start over. Take a square, holding down the control button. I'm going to hit P. And I'm with my ratio locked. I'm going to go round corners on this one, 2 inches. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of that guy and move it over. And now I'm going to take this one and go scalloped on this corner. So put this back to 0. Put this at 2 inches. And you get that. Now, this is in the center of the page. So I can grab this one and hit P, put it in the center of the page, take my Smart Fill tool, and now I have both of them on one square. A rounded corner. I don't know what they're doing with this or why they would want to, but it was a pretty good question. But this way, with the Smart Fill tool, you're making a new object and the lines are blocking it. So whatever you pick with the Smart Fill will do. So that way, this way you have 2 lines here. This way you only have 1. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.